The returning officer of the Outer Manipur Parliamentary Constituency, Hawam Rosita, has recommended for repolling in altogether 19 polling stations. Repoll were recommended in 4 districts, namely Ukhrul, Chandel, Senapati and Churachampur districts, according to reports. As campaigning for the second phase of Lok Sabha elections comes to an end this evening, leaders of political parties have intensified their efforts to woo the voters. 97 constituencies spread over 13 states and 1 union territory will go to polls in this phase on Thursday. All 39 parliamentary constituencies of Tamil Nadu, 14 in Karnataka, 10 Maharashtra, 8 Uttar Pradesh, 5 each in Assam, Bihar and Orissa, 3 each in Chhattisgarh and West Bengal, and 2 in Jammu and Kashmir, and 1 each in Manipur, Tripura and Pondicherry will be covered in this phase. Eminent personality Moirangthem Pandit Khalemba Shastri has been honored with award by Assam Sammilan in connection with Bihu festival in recognition of his immense contributions in various fields. The central government yesterday extended the ceasefire which has been in operation with GPRN, NSCN and the NSCN reformation for another year. A report quoting Home Ministry sources further stated that a fresh pact for suspension of operations was signed with NSCN, GPRN-K headed by Kengo Konyak. Both the agreements were signed yesterday by Ministry of Home Affairs Joint Secretary Satyendra Garg on behalf of the Union Government. The Confederation of Meghalaya Social Organizations is going to observe April 23rd as Black Flag Day in protest against the state government's failure to implement the inner line permit system in the state. Reiterating their demands for repolls in 464 polling booths under West Tripura Parliamentary Constituency, Left Front once again urged the ECI to ensure the free and fair polling in the Tripura East seat, which goes to the polls in the second phase on April 18. Assam Chief Minister Sarvanand Sonowal lambasted the Congress for its 70 years of misgovernance and corruption and alleged that the Congress leaders have snatched the benefits of government schemes from the poor, ranging from PMAY scheme to every other pro-poor scheme. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will address 4 rallies in Orissa and Chhattisgarh today. In Orissa, he will hold public meetings in Sambalpur and Bhubaneswar and a roadshow in Bhubaneswar. In Chhattisgarh, the Prime Minister will also address rallies in Raipur district of the state. Meanwhile, Congress President Rahul Gandhi will hold public rallies in Kerala today. The Supreme Court has refused to consider Bahujan Samaj Party's Chief Mayawati's plea against the 48-hour ban on campaigning imposed by the Election Commission. Mayawati had moved the top court against the poll body's order on the ground that it was taken under pressure from the ruling dispensation. A colossal fire swept through the famed Notre Dame Cathedral in central Paris yesterday, causing a spire to collapse and raising fears over the future of the nearly millennium-old building and its previous artworks. The fire, which began in the early evening, sent flames and huge clouds of grey smoke billowing into Paris sky as stunned Parisians and tourists watched on in sheer horror.